Day 4 of my camping trip, Bullards Beach. 8:30 in the morning. It's not raining at the moment, but it has been. And there's some wind whipping around up there off and on. Yeah. Actually, it's not that cold out here. It's not super warm either, but you know, it's raining again.
So today the prospects didn't look real good for any outdoor activity, so I thought I would drive down to Coos Bay and go to the Coos Art Museum there. I've been there quite a few times in the past. They have exhibits that they change, I don't know, 3 or 4 times a year or something like that. So I want to go see what they got there this month. Well, that was really interesting. I really enjoyed going to the art museum there in Coos Bay. Those were some pretty impressive paintings they had in there, and some sculptural stuff too. That was pretty cool. So I spent some time, a little while after that, went to Walmart, and picked up a couple of items, and then headed back to the camper.
Well, I am quite surprised. There's actually blue sky. Temporary, I'm sure. But, yeah, no rain. Sunshine. So, thought I'd come out here and start a fire and sit outside here for a while and enjoy the moderately good weather. Still windy, but hey. It's okay. We're camping. This is my last day camping. After tonight, I'll be headed back home. It's been a pretty good day so far, even though the weather was kind of crappy earlier. Be nice to be a little kid and do that again.
Oh yeah.
Good stuff, yeah.
The little kid was riding his bicycle through every puddle along the road. It was great. Not long after this, the weather turned back to rain. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you had as good a time out here camping with me as I did. See you in the next video.